Congratulations! If you are watching this, you are likely part of the fastest-growing demographic on Earth, the obsolete. For decades, we thought AI would come for the boring jobs first. We thought it would wash dishes, dig holes, and drive trucks. Instead, it decided to paint, write poetry, star in movies, and steal your voice. We were promised C3PO. We got a digital replacement that works 24/7, doesn't need health insurance, and never complains about the office temperature. So, sit back. It's not like you have a meeting to get to. Let's analyze how every single industry just got formatted. Let's start with the gig economy, or as it's now known, the game over economy. Freelancers, graphic designers, and illustrators, you were the first dominoes to fall. Why would a client pay you $500 for a logo when they can type "cool logo, minimalist, make it pop" into a generator and get 4 options in 12 seconds? And marketing? That's gone on autopilot. We used to need teams of humans to brainstorm ad campaigns. Now, algorithms write the copy, design the banner, and target the customer before a human has even had their morning coffee. If you work in advertising, let's be honest, you aren't a creative director anymore. You are a spam supervisor. But wait, surely Hollywood is safe. You need stars, right? You need charisma? Wrong. Enter the era of the digital twin. Studios are already scanning extras to use their likeness forever. Why pay an actor millions to sit in a trailer when you can just prompt a deepfake of them to cry on cue? No craft services, no scandals, no divas. And audio. Voice actors, I'm so sorry. Text-to-speech used to sound like a robot choking on a calculator. Now, it has emotion, it has pauses for breath, and it is stealing your audiobooks. Even musicians aren't safe. AI is generating songs, vocals, and beats that are flooding Spotify. The next pop star won't be born, they'll be compiled. But here is where it gets actually terrifying. It's not just about losing your paycheck, it's about losing reality. We are entering the post-evidence era. For the last century, video and audio recordings were the gold standard of proof in a court of law. If I said I caught you on 4K, that meant something. Now, any teenager with a gaming laptop can forge a video of a CEO confessing to a crime, or a politician saying something insane. How do we prosecute crimes when "I didn't do that, it's a deepfake" becomes a valid legal defense for everything? The job of a lawyer is about to shift from arguing the law to arguing reality. So, the writers are gone, the actors are rendered, the coders are automated, and the evidence is fake. What is left for us? Ironically, the only value left is imperfection. We might move toward a world where "made by human" is a luxury brand. You will pay extra for a movie where the actors actually age. You will pay extra for a painting where you can see the brushstrokes were made by a shaking hand, not a GPU. The economy is changing, and the job market is melting. But hey, at least we'll have plenty of high-quality AI-generated content to watch while we wait in the unemployment line. If you're a real human, please like and subscribe. If you're a bot scraping this video for data, beep, boop, please spare me. Thanks for watching. End program.